What happens after the offer is accepted? The closing process, or escrow, begins when your offer is accepted and ends when you move in. Let's look at the steps. First, select an escrow agent, attorney in some states, or a title company. Escrow agents are neutral third parties who assist in handling title and escrow work, financing, transaction and instructions, and other paperwork related to the home purchase. They collect and hold documents and funds in trust for all parties until the transaction is complete. Title companies provide insurance that a title is satisfactorily clear of liens, judgments, and other encumbrances or title defects. Next, satisfy contingencies. Contingencies let you terminate your purchase offer without penalty if certain conditions are not met. Some of the more common contingencies include 1. A mortgage contingency. 2. An inspection contingency. 3. An appraisal contingency. 4. A title contingency. 5. A walkthrough contingency. Each contingency may have its own time limit. The limits are brief, such as 1 week to apply for a mortgage or 10 days to have the home inspected. It's your responsibility to make sure contingencies are satisfied within the time limits, not the seller. But work with a realtor to help you manage this process. If you miss deadlines, you probably won't be able to legally enforce that contingency. So keep on top of things. Next step is home inspections. Inspections are sometimes optional but very important and help buyers get a better understanding of the ins and outs of the property being purchased. Inspections may include checks for termites, water leaks, or compliance with housing codes. Other things you may need to consider are surveys to determine boundaries, appraisals to determine value for lenders, title reviews, and structural inspections. At the end of the home inspection, you will receive a report and summary where any significant defects and issues will be brought to your attention. Feel free to be present during the inspection and to ask questions on anything you are concerned about. This is your opportunity to ask the seller to make any repairs as a condition of the sale. After home inspections, it's time to clear title and order insurance. Once the title is determined to be clear by the title company, title insurance is issued. This protects both buyers and lenders from possible future disputes over the property. Other protections include homeowners insurance, provides fire, theft, and liability coverage. Homeowners policies are required by lenders and often cover an extensive range of personal items. Flood insurance, generally required in high-risk, flood-prone areas, this insurance is issued by the federal government. Home warranties, provides the buyer with peace of mind after the closing, knowing that there is an insurance company that will offset or cover the costs of unforeseen defects and repairs. Mortgage insurance. Certain loan types may require an insurance policy which protects the lenders against an unexpected default of a mortgage loan. You've now arrived at the final walkthrough. This is your last chance to view the property and confirm that the condition has not significantly changed since the sale agreement was signed. Finally, it's settlement day and transfer of ownership. Settlement, sometimes called the closing, is the final step when the ownership of the home officially transfers. The buyer receives the keys and the seller receives payment. Congratulations! You are now a homeowner.